What's the meaning of acupuncturist? Acupuncturist. 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 An acupuncturist is a trained practitioner who utilizes the traditional Chinese medicinal practice of acupuncture to treat patients. The process involves inserting thin needles into various points on the body, with the intention of stimulating the flow of energy or qi through the body's meridians. Acupuncture has been used for thousands of years to alleviate pain, improve circulation, boost immunity and promote overall wellness. An acupuncturist will typically assess each patient's individual needs and customize a treatment plan accordingly, often combining acupuncture with other complementary therapies such as herbal medicine and massage.